What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Joe, man, and I'm back with another prank video, man. You already know when I'm by myself, it's finna go crazy. So I know you guys see the title, man. Yes, I'm crazy. This car right here, finna get spray painted. You see me? Am I crazy? Huh. Wait till you guys see the prank I got in mind, man, cause this prank finna be a banger. Well, I hope she give me a good reaction, you know what I'm saying? So basically, guys, I've been planning this prank for a few days now. I've been planning it, you know what I'm saying? You know, my car is always in the garage, so this morning I got up early. So I was like, you know what, let me go do it. I think today's the right time to go do it, you know what I'm saying? Shaw's sleeping, I'm gonna take my car to the garage. I put hers just right here. Hers in the garage right here. Cause I didn't want to do it outside until everybody keep looking at me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I've been planning this prank for the past couple weeks. I mean, days now. And I finally get the chance to do it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I can pull it off. Hopefully I get a good reaction. Now, when Shy's still sleeping, I don't know how I'm gonna get her to come downstairs. I gotta think that. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I don't even know where I'm gonna put the camera. So, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Basically, like the garage right here, I'm gonna act like, after when I'm doing spray paint and everything, hide everything, I'm gonna act like, I'm gonna leave the garage open, maybe half open, act like somebody come in the garage overnight, I spray paint it. So I'm gonna go upstairs, act like I'm sleeping. And then I'm gonna have maybe one of my bros or somebody call us and be like, yo, the garage open, and miss a car down, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully I can pull this prank off, guys. If I do, make sure you guys smack that like button, comment, like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below. And yeah, let's get this prank going. Oh, let me know in the comments. No. DM me some pranks idea, guys, so I can do, man. We're gonna start doing more pranks. Well, I'm gonna start doing more pranks. The pranks I got in mind, bro, some people tell me I'm crazy, don't do it, but your boy like to take risk. And I'm playing with fire. She love this car. I'm sorry, baby girl, but your ass getting pranked. Don't prank me again. Do no damn water prank. Don't on that damn bloody prank, whatever it's called. Don't do that bull BS. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, Osh move, you know? So further ado, man, let's get into this prank video, man. I'm talking too much. Babu. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the spray paint, man. As you guys see right here. Hold on. Boom! Oh my god, not just one, not two, but three, bro. Yo, I am crazy. I am crazy, y'all. I'm crazy, yo. Man, let's pray to God I can get a good reaction from this girl. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's go. Guys, I forgot to think of verse to write. So right here, y'all can already see that. I put you ass, LOL. Hold on, Ricky. I'm trying to hurry before she come. This right here is you trash. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up. Loser. This right here is supposed to be Teen Javon right here. I can't reach over there. Just do it because this damn plug is in the way. Damn. What should I put? Should I put one on top? What should I put, guys? Alright, guys. I'm gonna stop it right here. I couldn't think of no word to put, man. So I just put some random crap. Right here. You ass, LOL. I just spot everywhere else. Kill you, whatever. You trash. Gang. Hope you guys can see it. Loser. What does I put? That's supposed to be Teen Javon right there, but I can't reach over that side, so I'm gonna stop right here, guys. But guys, look what I did to the car, though. Oh my god, this girl about to kill me, bro. Y'all about to she going crazy now. Damn. I hope I didn't take this too far. Sorry, guys. Sorry to crack open the garage. I'm gonna open it some more. I'm gonna go upstairs like I'm sleeping. Da 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 da. And then just, yeah, hopefully I get a good reaction. I hope I get a good reaction out of her, man. For real. I don't know if I did a good job. I should think of some words to write. Crap, but nevertheless, this prank's still going on, baby girl.
Goodness, I don't know what happened to your car, but I'm in the garage and it left open last night and somebody messed it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Yes, the garage was left open. Oh my gosh. What? Who did this? What did this even say? What the heck? Who does this? It was at night or something? Hmm? It was at night? I don't know. I'm about to take a picture. Is Javon here? Hold on. I'm about to sue somebody. Somebody getting sued today. I'm about to pull up the cameras. Can't get the other side. What the heck? Hello? Hello? Hey. Did you leave the garage open? Because someone came in and just sprayed all of my car. Wait, someone came and just sprayed all of my... I don't even understand what this is. They just sprayed random shit on my car. Okay. Okay, well, someone sprayed on my car and I'm mad. Okay. Yo, who would do this? Don't you, man? Who got on the top of the car? What did they even say? I can. What? Look. Who did this?
Mom, what's up?
Today left open last night.
Can you come on?
I worked it. It was on my fingernail.
So garage is open?
I don't know. I didn't come in the garage. I don't know whoever wrote this don't know English because it's not even English.
You calling 911?
No. For what? They're going to come in for that. Y'all have security cameras in apartments?
They don't have a security camera up in the front. I was the last one dying, but I didn't open it. Look, I know I think you stuff on your car.
Mm-hmm. Can we wash off? Why did you do it to my car? Your car outside. Why did you come through the garage?
I guess because the garage is open.
Yeah.
It can come off, but still, who did it?
I don't know. What is it? Oh, it's too early for this.
It's all over the. That was on top of the car too.
I'm glad they put on the window though. What kind of?
So what you wanna do?
We gotta go wash it off now.
Oh.
You.
What do you mean me?
What to say? Team. Bro, this one of your peoples?
Whose people?
Javon. It says Team Javon on it.
Really?
Yes. You got stalkers here now? You trash. But what?
Trash?
Yes.
It's not even my name.
Or it says Javon. That's close enough.
Maybe somebody will come to Javon's car.
Let somebody see it in the videos.
Come on.
How do you know where you live at though?
You wanna call 911? Hold on.
It don't look like you've been on there too long because this part's so fresh.
You wanna call 911 there or something?
I don't talk to the feds.
Talk to the feds. So you gonna do? Who gonna clean it off?
Take a picture of it and show it.
I did. I took a picture. What is this? 101? And just some random little dot. What does it say? You're the childish.
So how long it was stay on the car before it dried up? Can it come off?
I don't know. I hope it can get better. How am I gonna drive around like this?
I don't know. It's your car.
Kill you. Yo, this is not even funny. This is like a death threat. Okay, I don't want to sit out here too long now.
So who gonna clean it off?
You gonna help me?
How long clean? Why? Yeah, I got clean it off. It's your car.
Hey, because.
Because what?
Shoot. You gotta help me clean it off.
Why me? It's your
Because
car.
I'm not gonna take it by myself.
So you gonna drive this in the road?
No, you gonna drive it.
I ain't driving that.
Hey, come on.
They're gonna tell me stupid.
I'm gonna go with you.
Shit, you better start drying it up before it stays on the car.
Hey, I don't want it on my hand. I'm gonna have to knock it out, July.
You better get where your car keys at.
I don't know, it's upstairs.
You better start cleaning or something.
If you leave the garage door open, you gotta be more careful.
You left it open. You was the last one down here, Javon.
I didn't open the garage though. I want to come in your car to take the shoes out, whatever you said against.
You probably bumped it on your way up and forgot to come back and let it down. Yeah, come on, you help me. My car Gucci. That's okay. I'm gonna go bust your windows out. We're gonna see what's gonna be Gucci then.
What do you say?
I said we're gonna see what's gonna be Gucci then. Because if you don't help me, I'm gonna go bust your windows out.
Bust your windows out. How you gonna bust my windows out and I ain't do it?
Because you're supposed to help me.
Help you do? You supposed to be one who did it.
Hey, oh my gosh, you annoying the crap on my back.
Your back hurt. You a granny now.
Babe, I can't get up there.
You better get a stairs, a ladder, or something. Man, chill out, bro.
I can't get up there. You have to help me.
But call the tow company so they can tow it to the car wash.
I'm not about to spend my money on no tow truck, even though it's covered. But no, babe, this takes too long. I want it off now.
So who gonna take it off?
You
I'm
help me.
not taking out that car, bro. I ain't do it, so I don't know who gonna take it off.
Babe,
What?
you have to help me take it off. Who would do this to my car anyway? Go over here.
So what this mean though? You ain't gonna come over here no more, son?
No, I'm taking my car back home.
But it's not my fault though. The garage
Exactly. The garage is left over. Who in these apartments will come and do some childish shit like this?
I don't know. You sure nobody didn't follow you home or something?
I'm sure.
So what you want to call 911 or something?
You could call
them.
You could call them.
Ooh, they say my car.
All they're gonna say is we can't do anything about it because no cameras over here, so they can't find out who did it. These cops these days, I don't care. Shoot. Why you messing with my car?
I'm sorry, baby. It's a prank, baby. It's a prank, baby.
You ain't you had me come from all upstairs. I was comfortable.
It's a prank, baby.
Shoot.
It's a prank, baby.
I'm over here cramping and my back hurts.
It's a prank, baby.
You gotta take
Oh, why you keep hitting me
Get
for?
this off my
It's a
car.
prank, baby.
Okay, well, prank your ass and get this off my car.
Oh,
You.
look in the camera, man.
Oh my, you childish.
Look in the camera, man.
It's oil over here. I can't look in it.
It's dried up oil.
I don't care. I sit on up on it.
Look in the camera, man.
No, where's that? Where's your friend to be up in here? Really, Javon? You are annoying. I didn't hit really. That was a good spot.
Yo, we got it! We got it, guys! What was your reaction like when it comes downstairs?
I was like, what the heck? Like, I was just like stunned because no one has ever like sprayed my car before. I wasn't expecting this, to be honest with you. I was expecting like a slash tire or something like that. But
Well, guys, if you guys enjoyed this prank, man, smash the like button, comment down below. Let me know in my DMs what other prank you want me to do next, because this was a.
I still got eye boogers and stuff.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.